My name is Farzeen. I'm the Director of Manufacturing for MDF East. I've been with Metrie for about 7.5 years.
Welcome to Metrie's cutting-edge MDF manufacturing facility located in Toronto, Ontario. This state-of-the-art establishment epitomizes Metrie's unwavering commitment to becoming the most trusted millwork supplier in North America. With this expansion, we are set to amplify our Eastern manufacturing capacity by a remarkable 50%. In addition to advancing our growth initiatives to better serve our valued customers, the introduction of the most advanced pre-finished line in North America enables us to boost the speed of innovative product production by an impressive 20%. This not only reduces our lead times, but also optimizes product quality while adhering to stringent sustainability practices aimed at minimizing waste and environmental impacts. We believe that our dedication to innovation, sustainability, and a workforce that thrives on diversity and inclusion is the cornerstone of not only our business, but also the enhanced experience we offer to our customers. Welcome to a brighter, more responsible, and more inclusive future with Metrie.